clients! My name is Janet Barsha, your Mitsubishi Motor Sales Consultant for today. So ngayon, ay re-reviewin natin ang isang sasakyan na nagtataglay ng power, style, at loaded sa features. Kaya wag na natin patagalin, samahan niyo akong i-explore itong amazing SUV na 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLS Automatic.
For the exterior, you will notice the front grille illumination for better visibility. Naka-LED headlamps with LED daytime running lights, LED front fog lamps, and LED rear combination lights. Sa ilalim, meron itong silver front and rear undergarnish, roof rails for all variants, and fin-type antenna. For the tires and wheels, sa tires meron siyang sukat na 265 by 60 R18 110H. And for the wheels, 18 inches by 7.5J alloy wheels. Sa suspension, double wishbone with coil spring and stabilizer bar, and sa rear ay 3-link coil spring with stabilizer bar. For the brakes, ventilated disc both front and rear. Equipped din ito ng anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. For the dimension, meron itong 4,825mm, wheelbase sa 2,800mm, width na 1,815mm, at height na 1,835mm, and the minimum ground clearance of 218mm. For the model and type, meron siyang 4 and 15, 2.4 liter, 4 inline, 16 valve, double overhead camshaft with variable geometry turbo and MIVEC technology. Ang kanyang fuel system ay electrical fuel injection. May maximum power na 181 PS at 3,500 RPM at may maximum torque na 430 Nm at 2,500 RPM and 68 liters fuel tank capacity. At syempre, meron itong 8-speed automatic transmission with sport mode. At kung gusto mong i-level up ang control, may paddle shifters din ito. For the convenience, equipped na din siya ng keyless operating system with engine start button. Pagdating sa loob, luxury and comfort ang aasahan mo. Yung driver seat, naka 8-way power adjustable na, hindi na manual adjustment. For the steering, ang kanyang gear type ay rack and pinion, and equipped na rin siya ng power steering. Meron itong 3-spoke leather wrap, equipped with audio, hands-free, multi-information display, cruise control, at pwede itong i-adjust via tilt and telescopic. May 8-inch color LCD instrument meter cluster at 8-inch smartphone link display audio touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and HDMI. And total of 6 speakers including 2 tweeters. For the air conditioning system, ito ay naka-single zone automatic climate control. Comfortable din ang bawat pasahero, thanks to the black leather seats at spacious interior. Meron itong 60 by 40 split reclining seats with tumble sa second row, 50 by 50 folding function sa third row, at full flat folding features so customizable for passengers or cargo. Dagdag pa ang rear cooler, USB ports at 220 volts power outlet, lahat ng gadgets mo fully charged habang nasa biyahe. For the safety, meron itong 6 airbags, of course, seat belts. May multi-around view monitor para sa hassle-free parking at better visibility. Meron din itong emergency stop signal, active stability and traction control, kaya hindi ka mag-aalala kahit sa slippery roads. At para sa mahiling mag-off-road o mag-road trip, may hill start assist ito at trailer stability assist, siguradong smooth at safe ang biyahe mo.
So 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport is truly an SUV designed for every Filipino. From its powerful engine, stylish exterior, comfortable interior, and loaded sa features, sulit na sulit. So if you are interested or may questions kayo, please contact me at 0968-70-94944. That is my personal contact number as well as my Viber and WhatsApp. Once again, this is Janet Barsha, Sales Consultant from Mitsubishi Motors, Paco, Manila. See you!